Good evening. In today's session, let's discuss regarding delimitation commission. What exactly is this? In fact, this is mentioned under article number 82 of the Constitution. As far as this article is concerned, after every census in India, census are conducted every 10 years. It was conducted in 2001, 2011, and next will be in 2021. Meaning, of course, the 2021 census may be delayed because of this pandemic. But the Constitution says that after every census, you have to go for reorganization of the constituencies. What are the constituencies? We have Lok Sabha constituencies, and in every state you have assembly constituencies. And these constituencies can be readjusted. They can be redrawn after every census. This is what the Constitution says. But after every census, we have not constituted any delimitation commission to redraw the boundaries of the Constitution. But the basic purpose is that the basic purpose of the delimitation commission is to redraw the boundaries of the constituencies without affecting the number of seats in the Lok Sabha, without affecting the number of seats in the state legislative assemblies. That is the meaning of the delimitation commission. Please remember, this is a very, very, very important aspect. And now the government, now means in the month of March 2020, the government has constituted a delimitation commission for redrawing the boundaries of the constituencies in Jammu and Kashmir plus 4 states in northeastern India. Now, I would like to show you those points which are very important. We need to be very clear that what is the article that is related to delimitation commission, who constitutes a delimitation commission. Please remember, this is constituted by the parliament, right? And the next one, as far as the delimitation commission are concerned, as far as the latest delimitation is concerned, who is the chairman? All these are the important points, and I am going to show you all the points one after the other now. Kindly have a look at this. I am opening the document for you. Look at this. This is article number 82. Right? So you can read it later very leisurely, not an issue. I'll share this document with you, but otherwise you can get it from any constitution book. Look at this. The delimitation commission set up to redraw the constituencies of Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. These are the 4 states in northeast of India. Plus we have Jammu and Kashmir. Clear? And kindly remember, Jammu and Kashmir now is a union territory. It's no more a state. We understood this one very clearly. The statehood has been removed, and Jammu and Kashmir has been bifurcated into 2 union territories. One is Jammu and Kashmir, and the second one is Ladakh. Right? And these 4 states from northeastern part plus Jammu and Kashmir. And the delimitation commission will visit all the states and the union territory after preparing a broad framework of the delimitation exercise. Look at this. The commission will also seek the views and inputs of its associated members, where you have the Lok Sabha members and MLAs of that concerned area. And the broad framework has to be developed on carving out of the constituencies based on the 2011 census. Kindly remember, we are in the year 2020. Today is September 4th, and as of today, our latest census is 2011 census. And whatever this delimitation, whatever the this reorganization of the constituencies are concerned, this is being done as per on the basis of the 2011 census. Look at this. Once this broad framework has been developed, then delimitation commission will be visiting the states. Clear? and the delimitation panel will redraw. Look at this very clearly. This is the basic purpose. This is the basic purpose of the the delimitation commission. This is going to redraw. Look at this. This will redraw the Lok Sabha as well as the assembly constituencies of the four northeastern states, and the work on increasing the assembly seats of the union territory of Jammu and Kashmir, which is mentioned under the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act. Clear? Very, very important one. And this commission was set up in March. Look at another important point. Who is the head of this delimitation commission? This is headed by the former Supreme Court judge, Justice Ranjana Desai. Very, 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 very important. Right? So Justice Ranjana Desai is heading the current delimitation commission. And when it comes to election commission, you have an election commissioner by name Sushil Chandra. We have discussed this many times. And he is the representative of the election commission in the delimitation panel. Very, 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 very important. Who is the head of delimitation commission? Answer is Justice Ranjana Desai. And on behalf of election commission, who is representing election commission in delimitation commission? And the answer is Mr. Sushil Chandra. Very, very, very important one. Now I'll be moving ahead. Let me take out these marks. We'll be moving ahead now. Have a look at this now. Look at this. Right? And apart from this election commissioner, the representatives of the election commission in the delimitation panel, while state election commissioners of Jammu and Kashmir and four other states will be its ex officio members. Ex officio members. Clear? And in the month of May, the Speaker of Lok Sabha nominated 15 members of the parliament from Jammu and Kashmir, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh as associate members. Because once these constituencies are redrawn, these are the states and the union territory that are going to be affected. And these members will be assisting the panel with respect to redrawing the parliamentary and assembly constituencies. Very, 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 very important. Clear? So the most important point is that what is delimitation commission? Why does it constitute? Right? Next is the who is the chairman, who is the head of the delimitation commission. This is very important. And who is representing election commission in delimitation commission? Answer is Shri Sushil Chandra. Very, 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 very important. So this is about delimitation commission, and I'll see you in the next class with other topics. Thank you so much.